Having trouble adding a line to your Boost Mobile account? Here's why it might be happening. First, check your account status. It needs to be active and in good standing, meaning no unpaid bills over $50. Second, Boost Mobile performs a soft credit check. A score below 550 or recent bankruptcies can cause denial. Lastly, the Boost Mobile app itself might have glitches. Recent app updates have caused errors for some users. We'll cover fixes for each of these issues. First, log into the Boost Mobile app or website and clear any outstanding balances. If it's a credit issue, dispute inaccuracies with Experian or provide alternative verification like utility bills. Boost offers credit building options. For app problems, force quit, clear the cache, and reinstall. Using Wi-Fi instead of cellular data can also help. If problems persist, contact Boost Mobile support at 1-888-266-2278 for manual assistance. As a last resort, a SIM swap or visiting a Boost store with ID and proof purchase might be necessary.